Introducing Value ERP, brought to you by Onfinity in collaboration with Jio Cloud, a powerful ERP system designed by Indians for Indian businesses. Built on the world-class Jio Cloud infrastructure, Value ERP offers unmatched reliability and speed. Whether it's HR and payroll, financial management, inventory management, or even CRM, manufacturing, and service management, Value ERP covers it all. It even supports help desk and support, field service management, and document management. Everything you need under one roof. But that's not all. Value ERP is driven by artificial intelligence, giving your business an edge in today's competitive market. It's about making smarter decisions, using AI to analyze data and present you with meaningful insights. Fully compliant with Indian regulations, Value ERP offers a robust GST module and payroll management, ensuring you stay up to date and stress-free. Also, it is integrated with all major Indian banks so that your bank statement can be automatically loaded and reconciled. With inbuilt and fully customizable actionable dashboards, Value ERP gives you intelligent insights so you can make informed decisions at the right time. Whether it's sales, finance, or inventory, it's all at your fingertips, giving you a 360-degree view of your business. Worried about getting started? With Value ERP, quick implementation and pan-India support are part of the package. We understand Indian businesses, and our support team is always here to make sure you're up and running smoothly. And here's the best part, all this comes at an unbeatable price of just 1,999 rupee per month. True value for your business without breaking the bank. It's time to take your business to the next level. Value ERP is powerful, intuitive, and built for you. Sign up today and see the difference it can make. Log on to valueerp.com and get started now.